The casting Warpthorn is kind of multifunctional carry-on shovels made of more than 50 processes and 100% molding and casting, suitable for fishing, outdoor camping, wild survival and rescue, etc. The casting process, high-temperature quenching treatment with high toughness, high wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and so on. Unique 6-position shift keys can make the shovel toward your expected angle in one step. Aviation-grade aluminum handle with a stacked diamond-shaped nerved design that is comfortable and non-slip. Its multi-function digging, shovel, and couching can make you more than enough in various environments. You'll need the gear to go outdoor.
This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 Telescoping Folding Shovel, a versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities. The SCH-SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH-SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear. A versatile EDC and tactical shovel weighing only 2 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 Telescoping Folding Shovel.
Today at CRKT, we're showing you the Trencher Tactical Spade. This is a monster tool with a lot of options for getting heavy-duty work done. The 3-position shovel head features an aggressive sharp saw on one side and a beveled edge for cutting and chopping on the other. The steel tip on the shovel plate is reinforced and designed to pry with. It adds a layer of strength to the tip while digging, so if you hit some gravel and rocks and stuff, this tip can take it all. The Trencher's ergonomic handle is made of tough polypropylene and steel, and the deep ridges offer a solid grip for every scenario you may encounter and all weather conditions. The tool has a threaded locking collar to secure the shovel into position. Here's how that works. This is where you tighten or loosen the collar, and you can set the spade head at a 90-degree angle, and you can see that this collar locks the plate securely in place. Now you can also close the Trencher spade head and slide it into the nylon sheath that snaps easily over the blade and protects the tool for travel. This tool was designed for compact utility, and the Trencher fulfills upon this promise in a very aggressive package. At 3 pounds and 6 ounces and as tough as nails, the Trencher is ready for duty. Thank you for watching, and thank you for carrying CRKT Knives and Tools.